What is semantic search? Semantic search is a search technique that retrieves information based on the meaning of a query rather than matching exact keywords. For example, imagine a document contains the sentence, "Click here to reset your password." Now, if a user searches for "I forgot my login credentials," a traditional keyword search might not return the document because the words don't match. Semantic search, however, understands that both phrases have the same intent. Instead of comparing words, it compares their meaning. This works because both the user's query and the documents are converted into embeddings, which are numerical vector representations that capture semantic meaning. The vector database then compares these embeddings using similarity measures, such as cosine similarity, and retrieves the most relevant chunks. In a RAG application, semantic search is essential because it retrieves relevant context based on meaning, enabling the LLM to generate more accurate and natural responses. In simple terms, keyword search matches words, while semantic search matches meaning. What is a vector? A vector is simply a list of numbers that represents the meaning of a piece of text. Computers cannot understand words directly, so they convert text into numbers called vectors. For example, the sentence, "I forgot my login credentials," is converted into a numerical vector by an embedding model. Although the numbers themselves don't have meaning to us, they allow the computer to compare different pieces of text. If two sentences have a similar meaning, such as "reset your password" and "I forgot my login credentials," their vectors will be very close to each other, even though the words are different. In a RAG application, these vectors are stored in a vector database. When a user asks a question, the system compares the query vector with the stored vectors to find the most relevant information. In simple terms, a vector is the numerical representation of text that helps computers understand meaning and find similar information.